Hello to everyone! Welcome to my vlog, Indian Madiskating Mama! So, gagawa tayo ng sauce para sa panakutan natin. Gumamit tayo yung 250 grams na raspberry. Ilagay lang natin ito. Mayroon akong machine. Hugasan ko siya guys, kaya medyo maano siya yung tubig. Then mag-addition yung powder sugar or sugar. Mayroon tayong 1 teaspoon na vanilla. Then lagyan natin siya ng citron to make it a little bit sour. And then i-start na natin yung machine. So that is sauce is fresh na press. Usually sa iba lulutuin nila, pero sa akin fresh ko na press ko. And next natin gawin, i-add natin sa panakuta. Fresh na fresh. Sa panakuta, it's yummy. Ilagay natin sa ibang traditional. Traditional. Where's the strawberry meat? Like that.
Bayin mo sa region.
Na ito ng heavy cream. Tamis na siya, eh. Ito na lang din. Ang sa'yo. Pitit. Ay. Now it is yummy. So, here we are. Nating gagawin na dessert ay leche flan. Gumamit lang kong 5 itlog, 1½ cup na fresh milk, and 3/4 nga condensed. And then ito na guys yung form ko, naka-steam na siya. And put in 1 liter water and steam in 1 hour and 25 minutes and 125 ang init niya. So ito na is done. I-refrigerate ko lang nito. And this is time to eat. Christmas time. So, ready? Let's say my leche flan. Looks so delicious and yummy. Yes, ready to serve it with this cream. It's yummy, yummy. Milk pudding, Timay. We're making bilo-bilo guys. This is a glutinous rice, and then mix all together and divide into 3. I use the red color, and that is pandan and obi, and make it circle and let it to cook later. This is it. So good afternoon to everyone. I'm making glutinous bilo-bilo guys. It's 3 kinds of colors. Green and violet. This is green is pandan, violet is obi, and red is just natural color. And this is make it the small bowls. And I boil the water now. I'm going to cook this one in boil water after the bilo-bilo is floating. It's done. And then magwawa tayo ng coconut and put in the coconut with sugar. So see you later guys. This is my bilo-bilo. It's so beautiful and colorful. I-add na natin dyan. Bilugin natin ulit dahil hindi siya nagbibilo-bilo. Ganyan lang guys. Pag maluto na siya, maglutin na siya sa sarili niya. Sagi na dito. Wait, tagay na lagi nag-bikin video her.
Kasi nakapilin na ni speed. Tabangan ka na. Speed tayo, speed.
Ganito lang gagawa ng bilo-bilo madalian. Ang yummy! Yung na yan, like. Ang pakas. Ito na siya. Kunin natin, i-drain natin, and put in the cold water para hindi siya didikit-dikit, guys. Patayin natin yung ano natin na. It's colorful yung ano natin, bilo-bilo. So, it means pag mag-floating na, luto na siya. Kailangan ilagay siya sa cold water dahil mag-ano yan, magdikit-dikit yan. Ganito siya, guys. This is yummy. So, this is it. And then, ito na yung ano natin. So, that is my cocos. Well, additional tayo sugar. And, make all this one. Let it to boil. That is done already. Pakuluin lang natin yan, guys, and then ilagay natin yung bilo-bilo. So ito na, guys, kumulo na yung ano 1 can na milk, ay cocos milk, and then nag-additional akong sugar. Nasa sa inyo na yung lasa, then vanilla powder, little sprinkle salt, and this is it na, guys. Ito na yung bilo-bilo natin. Wait for the moment. Yan. Kailangan lulutuin muna yung bilo-bilo. Ipaluto muna sa tubig. So, ito na, guys, yung bilo-bilo natin. Yan. It's it. So, ready to